Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a MOC, I think you call it. It's like a setup of my two bases fighting each other. I'll do a quick round overview. There's like some ARC troopers on top of my mountain base with the cannon. See that? And here are my droids, my super battle droids, and that kind. Super assassin droids. That's what I call them. There's some fire, and that guy got shot down. These two, the Imperial Wing and I think it's called a Tri-Fighter or something like that. They're both in air. Same as that rocket droid right there. There's like a river goes down there. Here's of course inside the base. That guy right there, the orange bomb trooper, is actually shooting out of right there. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe.